I just finished filming my recipe video, but I want to do the quick tour of my new house first. So okay, let's go. Just start it from here. Okay, this is a dining room, dining table, but everything still not finished yet. But yeah, this is how it look like right now. Okay, but we still have to clean up and do more things. But this is how the kitchen look like now. This is my kitchen, my new kitchen. We still have to pick the backspace, so we have the sample right there. We have another sample over there. We have to figure out which one that we like. Okay, and the different, big difference for me, and I really love it, is the stove. So I have the gas stove now. Before I have to cook with the electric stove, so now I have gas stove, so I'm really happy. Okay, and I have the big long iron over here with the granite top, so I really love them. Okay, this is how they look like, and then it will be easier when I filming because they don't have the own kitchen. They have like a higher island over here, so a little bit difficult when I film. Now gonna be a lot easier. And then the pantry is bigger than the own house, so this is a pantry, a little bit walk-in pantry. It's not like a very big, but it's bigger, like double size in the own house, so I can stock more ingredients in here, more food in here. Okay, refrigerator, and I have like a more space to put my kitchen stuff in the kitchen. Okay, but and then everything still messy. My white rice. So okay, yeah, we still have to do decorate and everything and clean up. And come over here is a walkway. Open the door right there, and the door. Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, yeah. We have the patio like there. Okay. We have like two car garage parking here, but we have the extra one another car park garage here because we have our mom living with us, so she have her own house. She have her own little house here. Yeah. So that would be very nice. I still have to do a lot with my patio here too. Yeah. So this is the mom house. This side of his mom house. Okay, this is her house, and then here when we walk. Okay. Alright. Okay. And next is gonna be the living room. So the living room, of course, still messy, everything everywhere. Okay, we're gonna have the new sofa set because this is a sofa from the old house, and we pick something. We want something different, matching with the new house. And then a little baby play and TV. Okay, and we're going to go to the next room. And there will be our master bedroom. Okay, and this will be the master bedroom. So the door can open, but I still have the thing over here. Okay, I have the box back there, so I cannot open. All right, so everything still need to clean up. Like same the other room, we still have to put the curtain. All right, and move to the bathroom. Okay, this is our bathroom. I'm showing you everything, but everything's still so messy. Okay, so this is a bathroom. It's a big long bathroom, but I have the issue, so I don't have the towel to hang the towel, so I have to figure out what I'm going to do to hang the towel. So, and then yeah, of course it's a toilet, and then the closet room here. Still a lot of clothes I need to organize and things, and the baby going to sleep with me. Okay, I mean she have her own crib, but she gonna sleep in the master bedroom with us. So I'm gonna put her clothes right there. Alright, so okay, and next to the master bedroom, we have our second bathroom. Is the small for the guest room. Okay, so over here, and then we have the two guest room. We have this first room and this room. Still a lot of stuff. So here still a lot of things. Computer gonna sit like that. Yeah. So this is all quick tour. I hope you guys. Oh, one more. We have the laundry room here. Here, laundry room here. Okay. Still, if you can see. Right, and after the laundry room, it will be garage. Our garage here. Here. Okay, still a lot of things. Okay. Alright. I have the second refrigerator inside the garage, so this is really something that I really love. Alright. Yes, you want to tell them? You want to show them? Thank you so much for watching, and my new recipe is gonna be up for a couple days after the tour house. Thank you so much again, and if you like this video, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and we will see you for the next video. Thank you. Bye. Say bye. Bye. She's shy. Say bye. Bye.